Alright, I'm fucking back. Got done with the editing. I'm uploading the video right now. It's over there. It's over there. Let's clean up. Let's clean up all this stuff so I can have this area to work with. And we'll just replicate this box over there. I'll record a lot more of that side just because I already know exactly what I'm doing. So I just, cut everything, all the pieces I need, and then I'll try to get footage of that, assembling it, and just putting it into place. But let's clean up. So. I'm gonna transform like Aaron the Plumber. Shout out Aaron the Plumber, dude. I fucking love that guy. Okay, got that. So now I can start working on the box itself. This one will have a wall on the other side, so we're just gonna make a little box there. I want to point out here some little things here. Cut this out, put it on the other side, put drywall on this side to hide the brick, and then this is just gonna be here with the drywall. So, little mistakes here and there, but like I said, I'm gonna cut out. I got a fucking mess. That's what I have. I have some 2x4s there that I need to rip out to something like this, so I can have material to finish that box. So that's gonna take me a bit. So I'll be right back. I'll put this one here. Remind me. I just ripped, hopefully, the last batch of 2x2s that I'm gonna fucking need. Let's put them here. I stepped on a fucking nail, so that's great. I really fucked up my foot. Alright, so, what's up guys? As you can see, it's dark outside because it's, let me check. It is about to be 10, so basically, I think I finished that stuff up, and then from 6 to right now, I didn't do shit, man. So, really dropped the ball on that. I still need to unload the drywall, so I don't know. Maybe I can get footage of that. Nah, probably not. Let me just unload it. And I'll catch y'all guys in the next one.